Welcome to English Blackboard Teacher channel. Welcome to Teachers English class. Today we are going to see a short tutorial on SPM CEFR Writing Paper Part 3, How to Write a Review. This review is applicable for books and also movies. Okay, let's go direct to the first paragraph, which is the introduction. So basically, you're going to briefly describe about the book or movie to the reader. You need to tell the name or the title of the book, the author, director, overview of the storyline, and always remember, no need to explain the entire plot. The second paragraph is basically you analyzing the goodness of the book or movie. So you need to praise by writing the interesting aspects that you found from reading the book or watching the movie. You can even add some evidences. Basically, in simple words, why you like to read the book, why you like to watch the movie. As you can see on the blackboard, this is analysis 2, the third paragraph. You need to critique the book or the movie. You need to highlight the downside of the book or the movie. I mean the non-interesting aspects. In simple words, why you don't like to read the book, why you don't like to watch the movie. As you can see on the blackboard, analysis 3, fourth paragraph, you need to provide a personalized review of the book or movie, meaning you need to share with the reader your thoughts, your experience, your feelings and lessons that you learned by reading the book or watching the movie. As you can see on the blackboard, this is analysis 4, the fifth paragraph, where you need to provide your own judgment about the book or movie. As in, like, what ranking will you give? How will you rank the movie? Based on what? Will you recommend the book or movie to your friends to read? To who will you recommend? As you can see on the blackboard, this is the last paragraph, which is the conclusion. So how do you conclude your review? Restate all your points briefly. There is an example for you to see here. So this is how you should conclude your review. As you can see on the blackboard, these are the things that you need to remember as you're writing your review. So always remember you have 6 paragraphs, follow the analysis, use correct tenses and language, use vocabulary words, descriptive words, use informal expressions, and then you should be good. That is all for today's lesson. Please do subscribe to English Blackboard Teacher channel so that you can always get updated with our new tutorial videos. We'll see students in the next tutorial video. Thank you.